The screen recorder in ActivInspire is perfect for capturing the actions on a flipchart, the desktop, or another application. You could even use your recordings in a flipped classroom model or to upload to YouTube for students. To access the screen recorder, you can use the Tools button on your main toolbox, or go to Tools, More Tools, Screen Recorder. You can choose to capture the full screen or just an area of the screen. For this example, let's record an area. You can move this window if you wish. Drag to select the area you wish to record, then choose Launch Recorder. A screen recorder window appears. You may move this window if you wish. Select the drop-down menu to change audio recording source. Next, select the blue circle. Choose a location to save this recording and give your recording a title. Screen recordings are saved as MP4s. Select Save. The recording is now in progress. Select the red square to stop your recording. You may now create an additional recording, or select the green Play button to play the recording you just made. You can also go to the location you've saved the file and double-click to open.